Hey everyone. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to set up visitor tracking on HubSpot using the full 2026 layout. Visitor tracking is one of the most powerful tools inside HubSpot because it lets you see who's coming to your website, what pages they're viewing, how long they're staying, and where they're coming from. So first, open your browser, go to hubspot.com, click log in, and sign into your account. Once your dashboard loads, we're ready to enable tracking. In the top right corner, click the Settings gear icon. From the left menu, scroll down and open Tracking and Analytics, then click Tracking Code. At the top of the page, make sure your tracking code status is turned on. If it's off, just toggle it on now. This activates the visitor tracking system. Next, scroll down and click Copy to copy your unique HubSpot tracking code. This code needs to be installed on your website so HubSpot can monitor visitor activity. Paste the code into the header section of your website right before the closing head tag. If you're using WordPress, you can add it using a header and footer plugin or directly inside your theme settings. Once the code is installed, go back to HubSpot and click Check Installation. HubSpot will test the connection and confirm whether your website is successfully linked. When the status shows as verified, your visitor tracking is now live. To start viewing activity, go to Reports and open Traffic Analytics. This dashboard shows live website visits, total page views, traffic sources, devices, and locations. You'll see anonymous visitors at first. But as soon as someone fills out a form on your site, HubSpot turns that visitor into a known contact and connects their full browsing history to their contact record. This means you can see exactly which pages a lead viewed before contacting you, what content they engaged with, and how often they return to your website. That data is incredibly useful for marketing, sales follow-up, and personalization. And that's it. That's how to set up visitor tracking on HubSpot using the 2026 setup. Once this is active, you'll have clear visibility into how people interact with your site in real time. Thanks for watching, and